Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to design a t-shirt using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting time. Now you can see this page on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box, and after you click that link you will land on this site. Now how you can design a t-shirt using AI. First of all, you need to click on new project, and now from here you need to select your artboard size. I'll select the standard size and then I'll click create. From here you can choose a template. You can also add text to your t-shirt. I'll click on image generator. Here you need to describe your image. I'll simply type here zombie Statue of Liberty, full statue from head to toe in New York Harbor, holding a gun in the air instead of torch. I'll select digital art and then I'll click on generate image. Let's wait until the image is generated. Okay, so my image is generated. As you can see, you can also change your clip art style. Let's change the clip art style. I'll click on this detailed drawing and then again click on generate image. Okay, so my image is here. Let's zoom it. I like this one. I'll delete the back one. You can remove background by clicking on AI background remover, but it's present in the paid version. I'll zoom it. I'll add text to it. I'll go with this font. Double click the box to type in. I'll simply type prison. Here are some transformation. Let's check. You can also customize it according to your need. I'll take this text and place it here. You can also see mockup by clicking this mockup sign. Let's click it. Okay, so here is my mockup. You can also customize it here. I'll just zoom it. This is my t-shirt design. You can download your mockup by clicking download mockup. I'll just go back and download the image from here. You can download PNG form and JPG form. You need paid version for PDF and SVG. This is how you can design your t-shirt by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.